happy for the club, but we are thinking now in continuing pre-season. The most important for us. I mean, I think it was good to work together with the foreign players, also young players, and we are happy about this. But okay, the next time the most important is to keep focused now in this month. I think it's good for the young players, also for the club. But don't forget it is for us it's the most important is continue working because exit ESL so in 1 month.
Thank you.
All of them played very well. Game for the victory, so we got it and we played well.
How do you?
It's been long that this cup wasn't in Goa, so at last we got it. We have come here to welcome the team. We're very happy after winning the first trophy of the season, and hopefully this is not going to be the only trophy. We'll win more trophies.